This is one of the diagrams the FAA uses to show the four forces acting on an aircraft. The first and most important force is lift, and it's in all three answer options. Lift is what makes this an aircraft and not a car. Working opposite to lift is the force of weight. While gravity is sometimes casually used instead, the force is correctly called weight. Gravity is the cause, but weight is the actual force acting on the aircraft. This eliminates answers A and C. Next comes the force provided by the engine. The correct term for this is thrust, which is the direct push or pull produced by the propeller. Power is not right. Power is not a force, but a rate of doing work. The engine produces power, which is converted into thrust. Finally is the force opposing thrust, which is called drag. Friction is partially correct, as skin friction causes some, but not remotely all, of the drag opposing the aircraft's motion through the air. The answer, therefore, is B: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Here's a more detailed and exaggerated picture of the directions of each of these forces. This diagram comes from John Denker's excellent free book, See How It Flies, which is linked below. Force is a vector, so it always has a magnitude and a direction, and the directions aren't defined quite as cleanly as the FAA diagram suggests. Weight is easy. It always acts straight down toward the center of the Earth, no matter the orientation of the plane. Thrust is pretty easy too. It operates in the direction the propeller is pointed. Drag and lift are both aerodynamic forces, meaning they are caused by movement through the air. They are both defined based on the movement of the relative wind. Drag is directly parallel with the relative wind, and lift is directly perpendicular to it. This diagram, showing a descent, makes it clear that lift and drag are not relative to any particular component of the airplane.